AI is changing the world at an exponential rate. It is already having a major impact on our lives, and it is only going to become more and more important in the years to come. If we want to stay ahead of the curve, we need to learn about AI and how to use it. We need to be prepared for the changes that AI is bringing, and we need to be able to use it to our advantage. Here are a few tips on how to stay ahead of the curve in the age of AI. Learn about AI. The first step is to learn about AI. What is it? How does it work? What are its potential benefits and risks? There are many resources available to help you learn about AI. You can read books, watch videos, and take online courses. You can also attend AI conferences and meetups. The more you know about AI, the better equipped you will be to understand it and to use it. Get involved in the AI community. There are many online and offline communities where you can learn about AI and connect with other people who are interested in it. These communities are a great way to ask questions, get advice, and share ideas. They can also be a great source of inspiration and motivation. Attend AI conferences. There are many AI conferences held around the world throughout the year. These conferences are a great way to learn about the latest advances in AI and to network with other people who are working in the field. Conferences are a great way to get a sense of the latest trends in AI and to meet people who are working on cutting-edge projects. Start using AI tools. There are many AI tools available that you can use to improve your productivity and creativity. For example, you can use AI to write content, generate images, and translate languages. AI tools can help you to automate tasks to get more done and to be more creative. Contribute to open source AI projects. There are many open source AI projects that you can contribute to. This is a great way to learn about AI and to make a difference in the world. Open source projects are a great way to get involved in the AI community and to contribute to something meaningful. By following these tips, you can stay ahead of the curve in the age of AI. You will be prepared for the changes that AI is bringing, and you will be able to use it to your advantage. Be open-minded about AI. Don't be afraid of AI and don't see it as a threat. See it as an opportunity to improve our lives. AI has the potential to do a lot of good in the world. We need to be open-minded about its possibilities and to use it responsibly. Be critical of AI. Don't just accept everything that AI tells you. Be critical of the data that AI is trained on, and be aware of the potential biases that AI can have. AI is still under development, and it is important to be critical of its output. We need to make sure that AI is used in a responsible way and that it does not harm people. Use AI for good. AI has the potential to do a lot of good in the world. Use it to solve problems, to improve people's lives, and to make the world a better place. AI is a powerful tool, and we need to use it responsibly. We need to use it to make the world a better place, not to harm people. AI is being used to develop new medical treatments. AI can be used to analyze large amounts of medical data to identify patterns and trends that can help doctors to develop new treatments for diseases. For example, AI is being used to develop new drugs for cancer and Alzheimer's disease. AI is being used to improve education. AI can be used to personalize learning for each student, to provide real-time feedback, and to help students to learn at their own pace. For example, AI is being used to develop new learning platforms that can adapt to each student's individual needs. AI is being used to fight climate change. AI can be used to develop new ways to generate and use energy, to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, and to mitigate the effects of climate change. For example, AI is being used to develop new solar panels and wind turbines that are more efficient and cost-effective. AI is being used to improve transportation. AI can be used to develop self-driving cars and trucks, to optimize traffic flow, and to make public transportation more efficient. For example, AI is being used to develop new self-driving car technologies that are safer and more reliable. AI is being used to make the world more sustainable. AI can be used to develop new ways to recycle and reuse materials, to reduce waste, and to protect the environment. For example, AI is being used to develop new ways to track and monitor deforestation. I hope these tips help you to stay ahead of the curve in the age of AI. AI is a powerful technology, and we need to be prepared for the changes that it is bringing. We need to learn about AI to use it responsibly and to use it for good.